And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to finish up the unboxing of the this Versa, this LG that I drop tested. I can't remember what else was in that lot. I think, what else was there? There was a couple more. There was a Razer. It was that recent phone. A lot. There was two LGs and two Motorola's. There was, oh yeah, this one, the i850, and then the Motorola Razer. These two were in the listing, posted, but she must have forgot to send them, so they went ahead and resent them to me in a separate little box. So we'll go and just unbox this real quick. And yeah, here's the other two phones. It's kind of this LG LS676 and these the Samsung one right here is the only reason I really bought this lot. Oh, the case is just sticky on this BlackBerry, guys. Whew. Now my hand's all sticky. Here is this Samsung. It's a little bit poor shape, but I really wanted it because I do have the US cellular version of this one. So hopefully I can get this Verizon one to work. It's the A850. Battery looks pretty bloated. Doesn't have any charge. Just missing these little cover pieces that goes around here. The LCD looks good on both sides. But there's that one, and then there's this BlackBerry in this extremely sticky case. Get that out of here. Here's a BlackBerry. Actually, the BlackBerry's in really good shape, minus a bloated battery, it looks like. Yeah, extremely bloated battery. Look at that. So there's the battery out of it. It's a BlackBerry 9630. It's actually in really good shape. I have the other BlackBerry somewhere around here. Let me take a look, see if it's in my drawer. Here it is. Here's my other BlackBerry 9630. This one's actually in poor shape on the back compared to this one, because this one looks like it was in the case most of the time. So I might have to do some part swapping around. Because I really want to drop test this one is what I was going to plan on doing. Because it's actually a little bit rougher. I might just swap out the back covers, truthfully. Because this one's got a whole bunch of dings and stuff on this corner. Or mine doesn't. So I may just swap out these back covers. Boom, just like that. But there's this one. We're going to be drop testing this. I was going to drop test it when I drop tested the other ones, but I totally forgot about it. So the ones that I plan on drop testing now, I probably won't drop test with the battery because it's bloated. But this LG VX8300, I'm going to drop test. I already have a couple of these, and then this BlackBerry, if it even works. But it looks pretty decent. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.